Lucas Shelton knows what it's like to not have enough to eat.
I know growing up, one of the biggest things that I wanted for myself was somebody to ask me how I'm feeling. Am I okay? And I feel like the Hope Fridge is my way of asking other people, are you okay? How are you feeling?
When he was younger, he says he was homeless for a bit. So he said it made a lot of sense for him to volunteer at the Hope Fridge Project.
It's humbling, to be honest, to be on this side of the desk.
TJ Hobbs is the co-founder of the project, which has one location in Neenah and two in Oshkosh. A little food pantry people in need can take from, no questions asked. The Hope Fridge has everything from paper towels to all different types of food items to even things like laundry detergent. Shelton, Hobbs, and another volunteer, Holly Poupart, gathered at the Neenah location.
The more we talk about it, the more that we'll be able to reach a solution and spread the word and get the community more involved.
Gathering up some supplies, restocking some of the boxes, and the fridge.
It's hard for folks to better themselves until they have their basic needs met, and I know that firsthand from having been in those shoes, and that was me.
The project wouldn't be possible without volunteers passionate about making the lives of others better.
This project would not work if there wasn't a lot of love involved for our communities.
In Neenah, Paul Stino, Local 5 News.